complete lap one. Fuel is having problems with the 16.
They're picking up steam. Oh, no.
Oh, Fuel's going to be in trouble. Here comes the leaders already. Fuel having problems. Going to put that car in the pit area.
He's like, I'm too old for this.
He's like, I want my bus to last till next year. I'm just gonna
pick up some spots here. Van Beeker leader, Starrick, and then a gap back to Kuiper in the 13. But he's at 3 wide almost, the 0 car. 2 down. Starrick's gonna maybe make it interesting up front in the 97. Going for the lead, here comes John Starrick. They're getting closer. Yeah. Starrick now with the advantage in the 97, Van Beek in the 83. Little bit of a gap back to the third. Kuiper in the 13, Starrick in the 79.
Oh, they're rushing the pace.
Yeah, gets closer at that X.
Maybe next. It's next.
Or it might be my kid this time, I don't know.
Here we go, watching him out back. Starrick in the 97, almost into the
It
6.
wanted to start sharing.
It's getting closer and closer.
That's insane.
I love how you hear the whole crowd.
The third, Kuiper fourth. That's going to allow Van Beek to catch back up to him in the 83.
They slow down. Come on.
Oh my god, that's not bad.
Legacy still trying to make up some spots back there in 6th. Trevor Starrick third, Kuiper fourth, 6th and 5th. He's in the 0 the 79.
Oh no.
Through the X again. Oh, he drove him into the tires.
97's getting beat up. I gotta watch her back, but I gotta.
Just a heads up, that's the sun upside down in the dead and the white ones that hit him. Fire crew right on the scene. Well, fans, it took to the end for some action, but what do you think about that?
Took 16 minutes
John Mackey's into zero. Up and over.
But them saying they're done.
I think so, because that was going to be the last lap.
Yeah.
Oh wait, did 97 win after being beat up the whole time?
What?
I think they were.
I feel like they walked up to it and just put it out with a fire extinguisher.
Well, John Stark is going to come out. Make some noise!
He literally kissed the finish line.
I thought he fell.
No, he kissed the finish line.
You going to interview yourself, John? Yeah.